division. Today we're going to learn all about division with the help of, guess who? Our math ninjas. Are you ready? I'm sure you are. Okay, so remember, division is to share something in equal parts. Okay, so if you're trying to divide something amongst friends, players, that's what division means. So take a look at these lollipops. Delicious. Two players who want to split these lollipops. How would you divide them? Good. Each one is going to get 2 lollipops in this case. How about now? We've got some really cool robots. Can you count how many robots? Good. 6 robots, right? And we have 2 players who want to divide 6 robots amongst them. How many do you think each one's going to get? Good. Each one gets 3 robots. So 6 divided by 2 players gives 3 robots each. Let's put them back over here. And for these 6 robots, how would I write this division as an equation? It would be 6 divided by 2. Okay, here 6 represents the number of robots right here. And 2 represents the players. So 2 players. Who are we dividing this amongst? Okay, so 6 divided by 2. Let's go back to the old example of our delicious lollipops, right? How many lollipops do you see? We've got 4 lollipops divided amongst 2 players, Jane and Josh. Okay, so 4 over here represents the lollipop or the object that you're trying to divide, and 2 represents the players that you're dividing it amongst, okay, or the number of parts you're trying to divide it into. Each part here has 2 lollipops, right? So each player gets 2. Another very important thing to remember is dividing something by 2 is same as halving it. Okay, so here you have 6 balloons. Half of 6 is same as saying 6 divided by 2. And in this case, 6 balloons divided amongst 2 players gives 3 balloons each. Another way of saying is half of 6 equals 3. Good. I just bought myself an amazing box of apples. 10 apples. And guess who showed up at my door? 5 superheroes. I need to split these 10 apples or divide them amongst 5 players. Each one's going to get 2 apples. Fantastic. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Over here I've got books. How many books? 4 books. Good. 4 books divided amongst 2 amazing superheroes. How would I write that? 4 divided by 2 equals, how many books each? Good. Each one's going to get 2 books. Let's put the books back over there. And this time, guess who just knocked on my door? I've got 2 more superheroes who popped by. And they want to divide the books amongst 4 superheroes. How do I write that? 4 books divided by 4 superheroes equals 1 book each. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Okay? Let's try to solve a couple of equations together just to practice the idea. Right? So 8 divided by 2 in this case is 2 equal parts. half of 8 gives you what number? Let's take a look. This half is equal to that half, and each half has how many dots? That's right, each half has 4 dots. So 8 divided by 2 is same as half of 8, which equals 4. Let's go to another problem. 10 divided by 2, or half of 10. Take a look at this half. Is it same as that half? Yes, isn't it? Good. So we've got the 2 halves. All we need to know is how many dots sit in each half. In this case, the answer is 5. 10 divided by 2, or half of 10, is 5. Let's go to the last problem. 10 divided by 5. You've got 10 dots, and you need to split it into 5 equal parts. How many dots are in each part? Good job, you guys. Each part has 2 dots in it. So that is how we do divisions, okay? Thank you for your help, Math Ninjas. Well done. And don't forget, there's loads of amazing worksheets for free for you guys to practice over here. So don't hesitate. Go have fun. And if you have any questions, drop us a note. We'll be happy to help. Until next time, see you later.